Here is the academic English version of the origin and development of graphics, suitable for research papers, academic reports, or corporate documents for PTT Kedai Grafika Indonesia. The origin and development of graphics. 1. Definition of graphics. Etymologically, the term graphics derives from the ancient Greek word graphikos, which comes from graphein, meaning to write, to draw, or to paint. In modern understanding, graphics refer to the science and art of creating, processing, and presenting visual forms, such as images, symbols, and text, for the purpose of communication. Graphics encompass multiple disciplines, including graphic design, printing, illustration, typography, photography, and digital media. Collectively, these fields aim to convey information, ideas, and aesthetics effectively through visual representation. 2. Historical development of graphics. A. Prehistoric period. The earliest form of graphic expression can be traced back to prehistoric times, when early humans created cave paintings, such as those in Lascaux, France, and Altamira, Spain, to depict hunting activities and social life. These images are considered the first visual communication systems, serving as precursors to written language and modern visual art. B. Ancient civilizations. During ancient Egyptian civilization, hieroglyphs emerged as a pictorial writing system that combined symbolic and artistic elements. Similarly, the Sumerians developed cuneiform script, clay tablets. These early systems laid the foundation for visual communication and represent key milestones in the history of graphic expression. C. Classical period. In the Greek and Roman eras, visual arts began to emphasize proportion, symmetry, and aesthetics. The term graphikos was used to describe works that combined accuracy and beauty in form. Graphics during this period evolved into a form of applied art, blending visual clarity with artistic harmony. The printing revolution. A major turning point occurred in the 15th century with Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press. This innovation revolutionized information dissemination and marked the birth of modern graphics. Movable type, ink, and paper enabled the mass production of books and printed materials, establishing the basis for the printing and advertising industries. E. Industrial and modern eras. By the 19th and 20th centuries, advances in technology, such as lithography, photography, and later digital computing, transformed the graphic arts. Graphics expanded beyond print to include computer graphics, animation, and multimedia design, becoming an essential part of visual communication in both art and industry. F. Digital and globalization era. In the 21st century, graphics have become integral to the digital transformation of society. The rise of computer-aided design, digital illustration, and interactive media has reshaped how visual information is produced and consumed. Today, graphics play a vital role across diverse fields, such as advertising, publishing, user interface design, cinematography, and virtual reality. Top 3. Functions and roles of graphics. Graphics serve several core functions. 1. Communicative function, to visually convey messages and ideas. 2. Aesthetic function, to enhance beauty and visual appeal. 3. Informative function, to support the presentation of data and information. 4. Commercial function, to strengthen branding and marketing value. 5. Educational function, to facilitate understanding in academic and learning contexts. 4. Conclusion. Graphics represent a continuous evolution of human efforts to communicate visually. From prehistoric cave art to digital media, the field of graphics has developed in tandem with technological and cultural progress. In today's creative and information-driven industries, graphics serve not only as an aesthetic medium, but also as a strategic tool for communication, identity building, and visual branding. Would you like me to add